Grill scrapers are essential tools for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. There are many products available to choose grill scrapers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best grill scrapers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Elroy Grill Scraper Heavy Duty Griddle Scraper Set. The Elroy Grill Scraper Set with 5 replacement blades is a lightweight and effective Blackstone griddle accessory that easily removes burnt, caked-on residue with its wide stainless steel blade. Its ergonomic long-handle design provides more leverage with an ergonomic handhold and a knob grip for the opposite hand for more control and pressure. The splash guard prevents residue from splashing upward during cleaning and keeps oil and debris off your hands. It is easy to use and clean, making it the perfect griddle cleaning tool for griddles, flat-top grills, teppanyaki and hibachi grills, and grill tray. Number 2. Heavy-Duty Grill Scraper Stainless Steel Griddle Scraper. The heavy-duty grill scraper is made of professional-grade stainless steel and has a unique design with a wide and sharp blade and easy-to-grip handle. With its beveled edges, this scraper can remove residue that scouring pads, soap, and water cannot, making it a great cleaning tool for griddles, skillets, and barbecues. It is durable, multi-purpose, and an excellent cleaning partner for outdoor barbecues and cookouts. Number 3. Barbecue Grill Scraper Stocking Stuffers. The barbecue grill scraper is a great gift for any grill enthusiast. The bristle-free grill brush ensures that no metal wires or scraps enter your food. It has 11 grooves that can be used to clean most grill grates, and it comes with a straight blade opening and bottle opener. The extended wooden handle provides a superior grip and keeps your hands away from the heat when cleaning the grill. Made of durable 304 stainless steel, the compact size is easy to carry and store. Number 4. Flat Top Grill Scraper 15.5-inch Long Griddle Scraper Tool. The Fryoil Saver Co. 90018 Griddle Scraper is a heavy-duty cleaning tool designed to keep your hands away from hot surfaces. It features an extra-length 15.5-inch handle with a plastic and silicone grip for extra comfort during use. The 5.5-inch sharpened stainless steel blade is rust-resistant and designed to clean griddles evenly, consistently, and thoroughly. The griddle scraper is made from lightweight aluminum, ensuring a comfortable clean and a long product lifespan. Number 5. Chef Master Griddle Scraper Flat Iron Grill Griddle Scraper. The Chef Master Professional Griddle Scraper is a high-quality, restaurant-grade tool designed to last through wear and tear. It features a 6-inch interchangeable blade with replacements available. The scraper has an extra-long handle with an ergonomic grip for added protection and control while cleaning. The extra-wide splash guard helps protect the user from flying debris. The scraper easily removes grease and grime buildup, making cleaning griddles effortless.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.